Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use your cruise control on your Mazda CX-5. With cruise control, you can set and automatically maintain any speed of more than about 25 km per hour. These are 16 miles per hour. The cruise control switch is on the right side of your steering wheel. You have there RAS Plus. This is the switch to program the speed level. Then you can adjust the speed level by using the set minus button. And to come back, you can use the center button. Then you have an off switch and you have an on switch. Do not use the cruise control under if there is hilly terrain. It's not so good. Steep inclines, heavy or unsteady traffic, slippery or winding roads, similar restrictions that requires inconsistent speed. But if you are on a highway, it's easy to set up, really easy. First step, you're driving on a highway and you're going to set. Then you can see the cruise main indication light. It's white. And if you set it to a speed level, then it's green, as you can see. You can program the speed what you are going to drive currently by pushing the set plus button. Then you programmed the speed to go a little bit lower with the speed. You can set minus. To rise up the speed a little bit, go to set plus. And to resume, if you're pushing the brake pedal, for example, then press RES switch. The RES switch is to continue your cruise control mode. So, set the speed with adjustable speed limiter. Activate the cruise control system by pressing the mode switch. The mode switch is on the bottom side, on the right bottom side of the steering wheel. The cruise main indication is white. This is displayed in front of you on your heads-up display and on your cluster. Activate the cruise control by pressing, if you have no speed limiter option, then you have on your steering wheel an on switch. This is the same. Then accelerate to the desired speed, which must be more than 25 km per hour. These are 16 miles per hour. Set the cruise control by pressing the set minus or plus switch. To store the desired speed, the cruise control is set at the moment speed. You can adjust a little bit up and down by using the plus and minus button. This is awesome, isn't it? You have an instrument cluster, multi-information display. You can see if you are in cruise control mode. If you are in cruise control mode, it is green. The car is green, or the display is green. And if you have an instrument cluster, it's the same. There is the same symbol, and this symbol is it's like an it is in a Glock with an arrow on the left upper side. Then it's green, and you know we are now in cruise control mode. To switch it off, you can push the cancel off button. To resume to the programmed speed, press the RES button. Then you come back to the programmed speed limit. It's really easy. In the cruise control system, temporarily cancelled, and the system is still activated. The most recent set speed will automatically resume when the RAS plus switch is pressed. If the vehicle is below 25 kilometers per hour, increase the speed up to 25. Then you can resume to your setup. Okay, this is important. To deactivate it, long press the off or CN switch, or press the on can switch 2 times. Then it's deactivated. To reactivate it, you have to switch to the on button. If you deactivate the cruise control, the program speed is deleted. Then you have to reactivate the cruise control system by pushing the res plus button or res minus. Then it's another turn and you can reactivate your cruise control system. Oh, that's cool, isn't it? You can switch off the cruise control by the off button, or you press the brake pedal. Then it is off too. So you have all time control. Cancel off, switch off. Mode on, switch on your cruise control. Set plus, increase the speed level or program the speed level. Set mine, go down with the speed or set it to. The res button is to resume the before programmed speed. Here you can see this is a cluster monitor and program is 75 km/h. With the resume button, you will come back to the cruise control mode. Here you can see 75, and above the 75 there is the cruise control symbol with it is green, that means it is active. If it is gray, that means it is in idle mode. And behind under this mode you can see the programmed speed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.